Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got my Morphe palette tutorial for you. This is the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette that I got for Christmas. I've been wanting it ever since it came out and I finally have it. Ooh, I can open it. So those are the shades that are in the palette. They're so beautiful, they really are. So I'm gonna head in over on this section here. I really wanna go in and use some of these greens. I don't think I've ever done like a proper like green eyeshadow tutorial because I do have green eyes that I tend to stay away from them and go more towards the purples and the bronzes and browns and things like that. So I'm really excited. I've been dying to try it out, so this is what we're gonna do today. I've already started off, I've moisturised my face and I've also put my concealer on my eyes. I've used the Revolution Conceal and Define because I know that a lot of other YouTubers tend to use that as like a base, like an eyelid primer. I'm not a massive fan of it, I will say, but I keep trying it out and hoping to fall in love with it, but I don't know. We'll see. I've also set my eyes with my Just a pressed powder, and it's just my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. So that's why I look like this. You'll have to excuse the mess of my hair as well because I've just let it dry on its own today, but I will sort it out by the end of the video. So enough talking from me, let's get into the video. So I've already gone and I've done my other eye, and then I've also done my base off camera as well. I was going to use my new highlighter that I got in my Birchbox, which I think I talked about in a previous video, which is the CLE Enhanced Moonlighter Cushion. But then I remembered that I've already gone and powdered my face down, and it's like a creamed highlighter. So I didn't really want to put a cream over powder. But I just want to show it you again because it is so nice. This is like the packaging. You've got your mirror up here. You got a little case, a little sponge applicator as well. And then that's what it looks like there. I'm gonna just do a little bit of a swatch there for you again, because it really is so nice. Look at that glow. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of it on the tip. Oh, look at that. Oh. It's so nice. It's such a nice highlighter. I've been dying to use it. I'm so annoyed that I forgot to do it before I powdered my damn face down. But I did actually want to say, because I didn't say it when I did my Birchbox unboxing video, was that this highlighter, if you go onto Birchbox and buy it, it's £22, which is a lot of money for to buy for a highlighter. So if you do still have time, I really would recommend you getting Birchbox this month before just to be able to get this, because you're only spending like £12. You get this, and then you get, I think it's another 5 products on top of it as well. But it really is worth it, and I can't wait to properly use this now. So like I said, I've already done my base and everything off camera, and I'm trying to get better at doing eyebrows as well. I've never really bothered so much with my eyebrows. I just pluck them when they need plucking, and then that's usually about it. But I got some Boots vouchers for Christmas, and I really want to spend them on a Benefit brow kit, and really start practicing and working on getting better brows. So as I was hunting for a brow pencil, I actually came across this, which is a freebie that I got when I think I bought a mascara or something, and they gave me this little freebie, and it's the Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 3. So it's this tiny, and I mean it is tiny, little pencil thing that you can see there. Can't even spin it. There, can you see? And that's what it looks like. So I've actually just gone ahead and used this on my brows now off camera, and it's not too bad actually. I think I need to go maybe a shade lighter on the colour. I kind of feel like I don't know if it's my eyes, but I kind of feel like there's a bit of like a red tint, like a red or like a warm kind of tint to them. And I definitely need to go for a cooler one, but I'm excited anyway to go and spend my vouchers on a Benefit brow kit. So as soon as I head towards a Boots with a good Benefit counter, I will be that's what I will be purchasing with it. So anyway, enough of that. I'm now gonna just do my mascara and my lips for you. And my mascara, talking about Benefit, I'm gonna use my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, which is my current favourite. So let's get back into it. I'm just going to wait for that to dry, and I'm going to add some more of the lighter shade of the green eyeshadow under my eyes, because I think I've lost a bit whilst I put my base on. Okay, that's it, you guys. I'm going to go off camera now, sort my hair out, stick these bloody lashes down properly, and I'll come back to you for the end of the video. Okay, you guys, that is the finished look for you. What do you think? I absolutely... Oh my god, these damn lashes. Okay. So yeah, that is the finished look for you. What do you think? I absolutely love the colours. The green is really popping. And the shimmer that I used on top of the lid as well is just absolutely gorgeous. First impressions of the palette is definitely top marks for me. I did kind of struggle a bit with the darker shade. I think it was this shade here at the end. I find that quite hard to blend it. It did take a while to blend it, but it turned out great in the end. And I did also have to wet my brush quite a bit to be able to get the intensity of the shimmer as well. But I didn't get any fallout on my face, barely any fallout in the palette, and so far so good. So I can't wait to do another tutorial for you guys. Just a couple of things I also wanted to talk about was the lip product that I got on. I actually used my LMX by Little Mix matte lip collection. These ones here. Ah! Well, I lost some of those. It's this one here anyway. I used the second one in. I can't find names for the shades, but anyway, it was the second one in, and it was this one here, which it's just pretty much like a nude shade that I wanted to go for. I didn't want to go for anything too bright on the lips because I didn't want to take away from the eye look. So not bad at all, to be honest. It didn't feel like I've got better matte lip products. I hasn't really got anything bad to say, but I also haven't got really anything good to say. It feels fine. It's a teeny tiny bit sticky. But I mean, other than that, it's okay. It's done what I wanted it to do. I did also very, very briefly just talk about the highlighter that I got in my Birchbox, which is the Moonlighter Cushion, and I did dab a bit on the end of my nose and just on my Cupid's bow there. And I can't highly recommend this enough. It's so good. Really, 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 you should get the Birchbox this month just to get this, because on its own this is £22, while a Birchbox will cost you £10, and I think it's like £2.99 postage off the top of my head, that is. I will link a little discount code. You will get £5 off your first Birchbox just down below for you. And then the final thing that I wanted to talk about was actually I haven't actually got them here, but they're my Lee Stafford hair products that I bought on Boxing Day. I think it's my Boxing Day haul, which I will link now. There somewhere. I actually got two of the Lee Stafford hair products, which is for the bleach blondes, a blue or purple shampoo, whatever colour you want to call it, and also the conditioner to go with it. Now, on their own, I think they're £7.99 to buy. 2 full-size products for £7, as they were half price in the Boots sales. Also, if you head over to my Christmas Day makeup tutorial, which I will also link above, you will see how strawberry blonde my roots went when I dyed my hair on Christmas Eve, and they were pretty much ginger on the top, my roots. Now, all I've done, I've not put any more dye on my hair. All I've done is just applied blue shampoo, and it has completely taken the brassiness out of the hair. There's still a little bit there, but it's I don't mind it at all. So I'm absolutely loving the colour of my hair at the moment, and would highly, highly, highly recommend the Lee Stafford hair products if you are looking for a really good blue shampoo to take away those brassy tones. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, then please subscribe. And also, please, please, please smash that thumbs up button just down below and comment any questions or any thoughts on the video. Head over to my Instagram channel, which is holly.rutter, And also head over to my Twitter account, which is Holly_makeup. And until next time, guys, take care.